In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account completely private. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Facebook application. Now from here, you want to go to your menu on the lower right. Now from here, you want to tap on the gear icon in the top right, so which is our settings. Now scroll down until you find the audience and visibility section. So from here, you can simply adjust all of your settings. So let's say you want to adjust your posts. So you'll see right here who can see your future posts. You can set this to public, friends, friends accept, or only me. So you can edit your settings for your posts, for your story settings, for your reels, for your pages right here. But if you want the simplest way to make your Facebook account completely private, simply select this profile locking setting. So tap on it, tap on lock your profile, and this will lock your profile. So let's tap the view as. So this is what your profile would look like if you're not friends with your account. So your account will be completely private. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.